Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to record deposits in ZarMoney. We'll also show you how the deposit feature can be used to record income without creating a sales document such as invoices. Okay, now let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the top bar navigation and hover over the Banking Center. From the drop-down, scroll to Deposits and then click the plus sign. In the blank field next to Deposit To, choose the bank account that you're depositing the funds into. Or if you're keeping cash on hand, you can also select Petty Cash. Select the correct date that you made the deposit, and I'm going to choose today's date. ZarMoney will populate a list of transactions that need to be deposited that were already recorded in ZarMoney. You can filter these transactions by payment method. You can also search for transactions by referencing information in the transaction. To include a transaction on the deposit, simply check the box next to the transaction. You can also add funds to a deposit for transactions that have not already been recorded in ZarMoney. To do this, go to the bottom section that says Add New Deposits, and then fill in the appropriate information. Once you're finished, click Save and Close. Okay, as you can see, I deposited a payment I received that was already recorded in ZarMoney, and I also recorded funds received from a transaction that was not already in ZarMoney. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.